Hello and welcome back. In this video, I am going to share Google local search algorithm. So mainly three main component that help you to get a rank, and it describe the algorithm mechanism. Okay, first one is proximity. So what is the proximity? Do you know? No worry, you will know now. First of all, I will discuss about definition. Okay, so what is the definition? The physical distance the searcher and the business location. That means the nearest search result, physical store, services, etc. So local SEO algorithm give most priority the nearest position. Okay, so how it's work? Google use searcher location data like IP address, GPS, and find nearby address. That means Google algorithm first of all track your location address, and when you searches, based on your searches, they show you most nearest result. So it is the mechanism of your businesses. Then I am going to share two optimization tips. Ensure your business address is accurate, up to date in your Google business profile. What is business profile? No worry, you will learn details in Google My Business profile. Okay. Then also use location specific keyword on your website to target local searches. Then you can maintain proximity. And then prominence. You should know prominence. So what is the prominence? It's trust, is authority. How well known, how reputable your business in local area, how many have a reviews, Google reviews have on your business profile. Like two business, similar business, one people have 100 Google reviews and another people has only 5 Google reviews. So Google give you the Google give the first position the person who have the business who have 100 reviews. So you can understand, if you have a trust authority, then you will get first position in local searches. So how it works? Google assesses your business prominence through online reviews, backlink, citation, overall SEO performance. Mainly your backlink authority, citation, reviews is the main factor to best practice of prominence. Then optimization tips, I will share 3 optimization tips for you. Encourage satisfied customer to leave position reviews. Build high quality backlink from reputable local website and organization, and maintain consistent business information across all online platforms. So I think you should focus positive reviews for your customer. We can create we can manipulate Google reviews. I will share you how it's work. Okay, so proximity, prominence, and relevance. The third one is relevance. So Definition: how closely local business matches what the user is searching for. That means you have to maintain your business. That means you have to maintain relevancy. It is a common for local issue, international issue. So maintains relevance on your businesses. And how it works: Google analyzes information on your Google business profiles and content. So you need to optimize your Google My Business profile and also website content. So, two optimization tips: clearly describe your product services on your business profiles and on your website, and use relevant keyword that potential customer might use when searching for offering. So these are the main three factors that understand how Google search algorithm work: proximity, prominence, and relevancy. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment in the below. And if you need any service, consultation or training, let me contact us on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching this video.